Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now in today's video, we're going to take a look at more cases for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And we have a great variety of cases here from Goospery. Nice colors and also with different functions. Let's take a closer look.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, as you can see here, we have a variety of cases that have different functions and also appearances, obviously. We have a real nice series of cases with different colors, but I just want to show you a couple of things that are going on here. First of all, this case is a polycarbonate case TPU combo. And what you're going to find is that it has a special door that opens up right here. And as you can see there, yep, there's a mirror. So this is a really cool feature. I haven't seen a case that actually has a hidden mirror inside. Obviously, you can hide some other things in here. You could possibly put some credit cards and things like that, but I really like the way it works. Primarily, I would say the mirror is going to be the way to go, especially because it has some magnets there. You'll notice that what the inside looks like. It has a TPU inside and then this polycarbonate back. Over here we have another one, same color or same style with a different color with the same kind of like special hidden feature in the back where you'll be able to have your mirror. Here we have, this one right here is a mirror-free version. So these come with the mirrors, which are just a little stick-on. This one doesn't have that, and you can see that, again, you have like a little compartment where you can put some credit cards here or an ID if you'd like, right? So that's pretty nice as well. So each of these cases have that specific function. Now there's another case type that we have right here, and I like this one because this one has also a strap feature. They come with these straps that you can actually put in the back. Has a removable strip adhesive here that locks it into place. And then what you'll be able to do with this, and let me show you how this works. Basically, it becomes one of those straps that allows you to put your fingers like this and hold the phone in place, just like that. See that? That's what it's going to do. And then you'll have your phone right there. So I really like the way that looks. And it's called here the Sky Blue Bumper. Right? Even though it's not sky blue, but that's what it says right there. Really nice, good internal protection and also good external protection. Polycarbonate with TPU combo. And you can see that we have it in a variety of colors and with these little straps. So if we want to see what the case would look like on the phone, we're going to put our S23 Ultra on, and then this is what you're looking at right there. All right? Great camera protection. You can see that right there. You can see that at the very bottom, everything aligns really, really nicely. All right. Buttons as well. And you have some good screen protection. You can see that it's really raised on each one of these sides. On the sides here, it's a little bit more tapered, but here and here, it's raised quite significantly. And that's what it would look like. Now, again, you have all these colors that you have to choose from that you can work with as well. So let's take a look at what the version with the strap would look like. Now with this one, things are pretty straightforward. All we do is we slap it into place just like this. This is what it's going to look like when it's on. And then again, if we remove that adhesive and we put this in place, you can have this right here so that you can, again, if you're using it and want to be able to do for selfies or just to make sure it doesn't fall out of your hands as you're texting, you can attach this to your liking and it's going to work really well. So guys, that was the cases from Goospery. See you next video.